Stefan, the BMW DIY guy. I've got a really simple project today. I want to show you how you change out your manual gear shift handle. So I'm going to be swapping in the M Performance handle to go with my carbon fiber and Alcantara and interior, but this advice works with just about anything and it's very simple to do. But I wanted to show you how to do it. So let's get out to the garage and get this quick project done. Okay, so we're out in the car. Really quickly, first thing we're going to do is we're going to pull up this shroud. You can grab a corner and pull, and it pulls the plastic frame away because I'm pulling the knob and the surround as well because my new one has both. So I'm going to pull that, and the other thing I don't want to do is I don't want to separate the knob away from the shroud because I'm just going to resell this. It's in perfect shape, and I'm just changing this for style reasons, not that there's anything wrong with it. Now what you can do is you can put your car in second gear or fourth gear. It doesn't matter which gear it's in or even to be in a gear. It's just to be able to give yourself a better grip on it. Now if your gear shift handle has never been off before, it may be incredibly tight because you're going to pull straight up and away. Don't hit yourself in the face. It might be incredibly tight. I've had ones before that were so tight that I actually used a little bit of WD-40. I got a little bit of WD-40 to squirt up in to get them to loosen up just a little bit. This has never been off. I expect it to be really tight. Just get a good grip on it. I put it into a gear to get a better angle on it. Get up and pull away. So this came up fairly easily, but you can expect yours to probably be really, really tough. So it's off. So now I've got the new one right here. It's good to go. So I've got the M Performance carbon fiber Alcantara, which is going to match the rest of my interior, which is why I'm changing it out. And then all you have to do is just simply, and it's grooved to fit into place, just press it down into place. And you're good to go. And then just walk the rest of your trim in for the surround. I probably should put the large side in first, which I'm going to do, just like that. Press it down into place. Clicks down. Just like that. There you go. And I'm just going to work it down because it's grooved to stay into place. There we go. So now, at least in my case, for my car, it's now all matching, which is going to look really, really cool. So, simple, easy project, easy to do. The keys are, when you pull up on this, don't hit yourself in the face with it. Don't tear away your surround, because I've definitely seen that where if you don't pull it out, you'll pull the handle away from the surround. And depending on what you want to do, you may not want to have that separate. So, there we go. All nice and simple. All done. All right, all wrapped up and done, and as you can see, that was super simple. My first BMW was a 320i, 1979 320i, all the way up through my current F32 and a ton of models in between. The manual gear shift knob has come off the same way in every single one I've ever owned, so I hope this helps you too. Please click subscribe and the little notification bell. I've got a ton of projects in the work, and I'm really excited to bring them to you. Thank you for your time today, and I look forward to seeing you on my next video.